Cause you know I got to make a video. No, where you going? Where you going?
I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Now I told your little funky picky head
Screw you.
ass. High five.
I had to look at it though.
No, I've been telling you from day
I
one.
had to investigate it closer.
I've been telling you from
Brandy,
day one.
didn't.
That's probably why I'm losing subscribers.
It didn't look like it had a battery compartment. It really didn't. Because this one's not like
I know.
that one.
I looked at it last night. I'm like, y'all been telling me that it's different than that one. But I said last night, dig a little deeper. Cause they ain't finna come out here and fix shit.
Cause they like there's a compartment in there for a battery. There's gotta and I'm like
They told you that on the phone?
No. In their mind they probably you know what I'm saying?
But they don't tell you shit.
No, they don't.
They don't know their damn self. Lame ass.
So I had to get on here, get up on the chair and look at it really, really good. And I seen I said,
I've been telling y'all when Wyatt was here.
I said,
yeah. See?
oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Okay, clip.
Wait. I just heard a chirp again. Bitch.
You sure?
Yeah. For what? We gonna stand here for a few more minutes. And we gonna see if that bitch chirp again. But who said girls can't do? Okay, so now I think it's a psychological thing now. That bitch is still chirping in my head. I'm traumatized now.
I know it. Because if you put the battery back in, guess what's going to happen?
No, cause it's died. It's dead. That shit traumatized me. I was about to break that hole.
I was about to cut the wires. I was mad. I'm like, if I do that, that's their property. They could charge me for that.
They looking for reasons to charge you anyway. They charge you just for fucking breathing air. I think there's a candy in that office. Oh, you owe $6 more. Oh, you owe $5 more. You owe $15 more. Even when they send you the bill and you pay it. I think she's secretly working in the office. After it's chirping so long, even after you took it out, I still hear Dr. Dre ring, ding dong, ring a ding 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 dong in my goddamn ear.
Ladies and gentlemen, the battery has been officially...
Wait, I heard it. Wait. No? I'm going to play the video back and see if that's psychological or if that bitch still beeping. Break that bitch. Just, where that bat at? I'm just going to break the... We'll, because it's so sharp. It's like, bing, bing, where that bat at, man? I'm about to bust that hole. For real. Fine. She don't want to get the bat. It's time to cut some shit.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Go ahead, put that back. Don't do that. Don't do that, because then they're going to charge you.
It's time to destroy some shit.
That's their property, and I don't want no problem.
It ain't even their property. They got their own house to go to at home.
It is
and
their
want
property.
To be
They'll say it's their
They
property.
act like they get commission.
Destruction of property, and that's a big charge.
They act like they get commission. Here go my bat. What? What that hoe said?
You better put that. Ooh, ooh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You meant to do that.
No, I
Move,
didn't.
bitch.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I'm sorry.
Get
I'm
off
trying
of
to take
me.
it from you. I'm sorry.
No, move. Get off of me.
I'm sorry.
Move.
Sorry.
Move.
You okay? You okay?
You rubbing the wrong spot if you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
You went clunk in my fucking head.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry.
You already know I have issues with my
I
head.
know. I'm sorry. I was trying to take it from you.
You take it from me that way, not that way.
Sorry.
Don't worry, I'm about to wash my face and hop in the shower and all that good stuff. Fuck. I just wanted to show y'all.
Destroyed more than you. We only need one. I don't know why they want two. What's the sense of two? I don't get it.
Damn, girl, you clapped me nice. I already was beating the head with a wrench on this side.
I'm sorry.
Now I got clapping. Friend, everybody like, yo, you being extra. Okay, I have sensitive bones, and that's a fucking bat. A tap, and certain bones will fucking hurt. Ooh. Shit. I heard it went bloop. Shit. Okay. But anyway, China took out the battery in the smoke alarm. And got doggone.
We've been hearing it so long, we're starting to really like hear it. Like, you know.
China took the smoke battery out the smoke alarm. Ow, girl. She went plop.
It feels so fucking horrible.
Well, you knew I was joking. You know, I ain't that crazy. Well, if I didn't take my meds for a few days, then yeah, you'll probably have to snatch the bat out of my hand. But you know I was just joking.
Shouldn't have touched you. Should have just let you be.
Like my elbows, like my joints is super sensitive compared. No, if you hit me right along this spot right here, it would hurt too. I mean, it's fucking metal. It's a bat.
Ow.
Now I'm sitting here trying to process me justifying that it fucking that shit. It hurt. I'll probably be all right in the morning, but you know, like when you getting out of a car and you clock your head at the top of a car, it hurt for like about an hour, and then you be all right. It's not no thing if she hit me so hard. It's that don't go to sleep because you hit your head type deal. No, but it do hurt. I'll be all right in about an hour, 30 minutes, some shit.
I'm sorry.
It was an accident. You're okay. Okay, I don't hear chirping no more. I think he had to get out his last few chirps.